Good evening, folks. We're back again at 9:22, battling for Robert's carded Bespin Leia figure. Looks like a nice one. I got 50 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find us a winner for here. AFA 75. Going to paste them in here. There they are, 1 through 50. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got a 6. So we're good to go. Good luck, everybody, as we get down to it. Mark takes round 1. Peter Sharp round 2. Samson round 3. Scott round 4. Mark again on top in round 5. And our winner is Peter Sharp in at number 50. Congratulations, Peter. Here's the verification code and official results. OZLXJH. Peter Sharp's our winner, which means I'm done at 9:23 p.m. There you have it. Again, here's our official results and our winner. Congratulations, Peter. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.